Here we go. Moving forward, I'll be showing you how to use your computer, just in case you have a computer and you prefer using your computer. I'll be showing you how to use your computer to access Canva and how you can use it to also do the same thing we've done with our phone, right? So now, to access Canva, all you need to do is go to canva.com and then enter. Okay, so you have to wait for it to load. Okay, here we are on our Canva interface. So you can see it's looking slightly different from the one we have on our phone, but not entirely different aside from this this bar we have here. Okay, so you can see we are currently on home. All these things were down here using phone. So now we are currently on home, and on under home you can see the search bar. You can see customize here, customize size. Okay, here you can decide to customize a particular size you want to use for your design. Okay, so you have upload, you have create a design, and then down here you have your various design templates. With this you can actually choose a design and edit to suit what you want. Okay, so the next thing on our list is how to create a flyer. So I'm just going to look for a flyer and then edit. There's no need of me starting from scratch, so I'm going to select business flyer. So you can see you have various types of flyer there, but I just selected business flyer for the purpose of this training. Okay, so with business flyer you can see various kind of flyer here, and with this you can select the one you want to use. You can see this one is paid. That means you can't use it until you are on the premium plan. This is for pro, and you also have paid and pro too. Okay, so if you look this, you can see it's also paid, but this one is free. So I'm just going to select this one and then use for my flyer. You can see another one here, though is paid. Okay, this is free. So depending on what you're looking for, you can decide to pick any one you want as long as it's free. Okay, so as long as it's free you can okay, so I just selected one, and the one I selected is paid. Okay, so you can see this particular flyer is paid, and going here where you have share, then come down to where you have download. Okay, with the paid ones you can actually download it, but with premium you can't download it. But then if you're using the paid one, you'll be seeing a watermark on it. So I don't want this watermark. The best thing you can do is just delete it. So you can actually choose a paid design and then use it for your own, as long as you'll be adding your pictures, right? So you can see this is the frame. When you are using frame, it enables you to clip your pictures inside. Okay, so how to get frames is going to element, then type frames, or you come here to search for frame. Okay, so you can see different kinds of frame. This is okay, this is circle. You can decide to pick circle if you're not okay with the one you have. So you can see that my pictures, going to where I have photos, if I should select a photo inside, it will enable me clip it instead of just putting it up. It will enable me clip, right? So you can see my photo is inside. So what you need to do is pick a particular template you like, which is free, and then look for the particular image that is making it a paid one, a paid template, sorry, and then delete the image and replace with your own image. Hope you get that. But then if I decide to pick a pro template, for instance, if I decide to pick a template which is pro, okay, you will see that I would have to let me look for a pro template. Okay, this is pro. So okay, so you can see that I can't even make any changes on it. I can't. But then if you see a particular template that you like and you know you can replicate it, then you can use your tools to do that. But the idea is that once it's pro, I can't edit it. But if you are seeing paid on it, that means you can actually open it and then replace your images and other elements that is making that particular template paid. Okay, hope you get that. So with this, you can edit what you want. Here you can put your image instead if you want. Okay, instead of leaving that, you can put your own image. Okay, so okay, clip 2, and you can change your text. Okay, before we go into that, if I click on this, you can see the various icons here. You can see to change font, you can see to change font size, and then color, text color, bold, italics, align. You can align center, right, left, and then justify. Then here your bullet point, just in case you want that. Okay, so then here you can decide to space your letters and your line. And then here where you have effects, also you can decide to add effects to your text. And then animation, you can decide to also add animation to your text, just in case you want that. Okay, and then by your left here you can see template, element, upload, text, photos, style, pixel lab, where you can also get pictures for yourself. And then if you click on more, you can see other things or other apps you can take advantage of. Okay, so remember, with element you can search for any kind of element you want. You can search for frames, you can search for borders and photos. Okay, so and then under element you can see shapes and lines. Okay, so I think that's basically all you should know. Okay, so you can see this resize here. If you're not able to resize before editing, if you come here, you have to be using the premium plan to be able to resize here. Okay, so I think that's all for that. So you can decide to edit your flyer to what you want. Okay, and then going back, let's look for going back